Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about triangle. So now I want to show you how to answer. A wheelchair ramp they will increase about 8%. That means they will rise 8 centimeters for every 100 centimeter of horizontal distance. We know that the height of the ramp that is about 35 centimeters. So they want to find the length of this ramp. So the first thing we need to draw the diagram in here. We know that every 100 they will rise 8 centimeters. For example, we have 8 in here. And this one we have 100. Now the height is about 35. We need to find the whole length in here. So if we look carefully, we have two right triangles. And in this situation, we know that they have the same angle in here. And now we can use about the ratio of triangle. So I will put about this one. That is about S. So we have 8 over 100 equals to 35 over S. And now we just find the value of S. This is multiply over 8. So we calculate this one. And we have 437.5 centimeters. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.